And though we are far away from our homeland, Diwali still carries a warmth that connects us deeply to our root. This year, this feeling became even more special. One of our dear friends opened the door of their home and heart to us. The moment we stepped in, we felt the instant sense of belonging. The house was beautifully decorated, glowing with lights that remind us that the Diwali evening back home, where every corner shines with hope and happiness. They served us food that was different from our traditional Bengali dishes, yet every bite carries love, effort, and the joy of togetherness. The taste didn't just delight our tongue, it touches our heart, reminding us that Diwali is not just about tradition but also about the people we share with. We laughed, we played werewolf board games like carefree children, forgetting for a moment that we were miles away from home. In that space, surrounding by friends and laughter. Now I want to share my feelings in my mother tongue, Bengali. এক কথায় বলা যায় সন্ধেটা পরিপূর্ণ হয়েছে এবং প্রচণ্ড আনন্দে কেটেছে। আর ওদের বাড়িতে একটা ছোট্ট প্রিন্সেস ছিল। সে যেন এই দীপাবলিটাকে আরো সুন্দর করে তুলেছে।